Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another video. It's all about unboxing video. Yes, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe, share with friends and family, and please give my video a thumbs up if you love my videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate all my returning and my new subscriber. I appreciate you guys so much. May God bless you all. So as I said before, it's all about unboxing. So as you can see in this video, in this bag there, that blue bag with white, so there's something inside which is a face steamer. So that is what I'll be doing today with you guys. So I got yeah, it's not that I got it, it was a gift to me. So I'll be trying it because then I was using before, even now I'm still using this old method way to do my face steamer because I love it. It's not that I cannot afford this face steamer. So so I just choose to do this old method way. That is it. So now we'll be trying this electric face steamer with you guys. Trying it on myself also. Do it all the time the way I do the old method way. So that is it. I try to put it in an angle that I can film it well so you can see it very well. That is what I'm doing to make it look neat and good. So it's time to see what is inside, to bring out everything, to check how to fix it and how it works. So. So this is the face, yeah, the face box, and that is the cup to measure the water. And this one you can also add it to the face, something like that. And here come the machine. So that is it. So this point I need manual to check how to fix it. So I have to check everything. So when I finally got it, so I have to plug it and take my bottle of water close to me. So your girl need to drink water because I love drinking water all the time. So I use the cup to measure the water inside to measure water inside to see how it work. So I started setting everything. The temperature is more high now to steam the face. It look beautiful. I love it. So later evening, so I decided to use it after taking my shower. So I decided to try it now. You can also remove it, put it inside, or how you want it, depend. So in this point, I received a call from my friend. So we started discussing and she shared good news with me. Good news is very important. good news. I love good news. I celebrate good news. That is it, no? So that is the final result. That is the final unboxing for this video. So yeah, the face steamer is very good and is very comfortable, very little and comfortable to use, which I love so much. So that is it, So if you love this video, you love this unboxing, please give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family, and see you guys on my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Love you all. Bye. Choose. Ciao.